Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome all of you on my channel Ambrance. This is a channeled message and I'm not aware how much it will resonate with you all. Still, many of us who are shifting from 3D to 5D, they will understand the depth of this message. For the first time, the 5D portal is opening up. I repeat, for the first time, the 5D portal is opening up. And we all know it's related to fifth dimension. As a human being, we are living in the world of 3D. Still, in past many years, there was a huge shift from which many of us has traveled from 3D to 4D. And we are going towards 5D. Now in between this time, our half body was in 5D and our half body was in 3D and we were standing in 4D. So it was a very difficult scenario for these souls because they had certain feelings, they had certain dreams, intuitions related to their soul journey, the purpose, their spiritual growth, and also some communication coming from the heaven. But because they were part of 3D, so they had to filter it. This information they have to filter it in 3D way. So it became quite tough for them because the process of 5D can't be implemented in 3D. At the same time, 3D process can't be implemented in 5D. So now what is happening is that the clarity of the fifth dimension of your thoughts, of your spirituality, of your intuition, of your awakening will establish in your soul. And you will understand the truth and the reality. If you had some confusions in the past or even at this present day, they will vanish. The last lunar eclipse, which happened on 26th May 2021, was the starting point. And by that time, the second solar eclipse happens, which is going to happen on 10th June 2021 on Sun. Then it will be a rebirth of your soul. Sun is Atmic. Sun means the soul. And on 10th June, the lunar eclipse will happen on Sun. On 26th, it happened on Moon, that is Man, your heart. And on 10th, it will happen on Sun, that is your soul. So, these 14 days from 26th May to 10th of June is the awakening of your body, mind and soul. Body, mind and soul. So, by the time you reach 10th of June, there will be a huge shift in your consciousness and you will get a lot of clarity about your spiritual powers, about your awakening and the reason why events happen the way it has happened with you in your life. Opening of 5D portal is a huge sign from the universe, the sign that divine intervention will start in your life. And if whatever the triggers which has happened in your life have pulled you down due to some reasons, they will now boost you. They will act in boosting you, your beliefs towards your journey and towards God. When I speak about 5D, my friends, hardly 5% or maybe 1% of this population can understand this phenomenon. If they are literally associated with the Almighty, and the rest of us, they can't even imagine what the shift is happening. This is one of the greatest shift which is happening on Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. You will become too close to Mother Nature, to the universe, to God, and you will see His power, His magic in your life. Whether you belong to any religion, it doesn't matter. The only thing is that whether you believe in the existence of God and you have surrendered your journey towards God. So the opening of 5D portal will break the 3D consciousness of this world. I repeat, will break the 3D consciousness of this world, and it is a sign of a huge dramatic shift for this world. And from these upcoming days, the earth is entering into its last phase of reincarnation into the golden age, and this phase will be very much challenging for the people who live in 3D, but it will become more comfortable and easier for the people who have already shifted into the 5D world. When I say that they have shifted into the 5D world, that means I am talking about their inner consciousness, which has shifted them from 3D to 5D. So take this message as it resonates with you. Still, a huge shift is knocking on the door, and it's time for you to open the door of your body, mind, and soul so that you can become a part of this huge process.